Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an Amazon gift card. Whether it's for birthday, holiday or just a thoughtful gesture, Amazon gift cards are a great way to make someone's day. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Amazon app, make sure that you have already logged in. Then go to the search bar and type Amazon gift card. On this page, you will see several options for gift cards, e-gift cards, print at home, and physical gift cards too. Choose the type that works best for you. For this tutorial, we will create an e-gift card since it is the quickest and easiest option. Now, customize your gift card. Select the design that fits the occasion. Amazon offers themes for birthday, holidays, and more. You can see several designs over here. Tap on design that you like, or you can tap on more designs. Scroll down and find out what you want. I'm going to choose Thanks Flower. Tap on it and tap on select. Now enter the amount you want to give, starting from as little as $5. Then you can see two options of delivery over there. One is email and second is text message. I'm okay with email, so I let it be. Now add the recipient's email address. And here you can also write the personal message if you like. In quantity section, write the number of cards that you want to give. And at last, there is date to be sent. You can send the gift card immediately or schedule it for a specific date. This is perfect for ensuring your gift arrives right on time for a special occasion. Tap on calendar icon and customize the date. I'm going to keep it December 31 and save. Once everything looks good, click on add to cart. Now you can proceed to the checkout, complete your payment using preferred method, and you are all set. As this video is just for a demo, we are going to skip that part. After your purchase, Amazon will send you a confirmation mail and the recipient will receive the e-gift card via mail. If you choose the print at home card, you can download and print it right away. And that's it. Creating and sending an Amazon gift card is quick, easy, and thoughtful way to surprise someone. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.